Traumatic brain injury cases are probably my favorite area of law because it's also the most challenging. They are really some of the most heartfelt cases. And let me give you an example. We represented a child who was hit by the side mirror of a car and had some bleeding in the brain, but otherwise we thought that everything was going to be fine with him. And we ended up having the child tested, and it came out that they were saying that there's a high likelihood that he is going to have major cognitive issues when he ends up growing up and for the rest of his life. And if you go to someone that's not really experienced, you're not going to know that, and that's twofold. A, he's not going to get the medical attention that he needs for the rest of he or she may need for the rest of his life, of their life, and B, they're not going to be compensated for it. If that child had just we were settling just from the fact that of the head injury that initially happened, and we didn't know about what was going to happen to this child for the next 40, 50, 60 years, then that the value of that case probably would have been $50,000 to $100,000, as opposed to we ended up selling that case for $5 million. So there is a significant difference, and we need to find out exactly what happened, and more importantly, what's going to happen to this either child or this adult in the future years to come. Now, one of the best ways of finding that out is experts. And at first you are seen by a neurologist who can do some minor testings, but then ultimately you need to be seen by a neuropsychologist who does some extensive testing to find out if you have had a traumatic brain injury, if it's mild, if it's moderate, if it's severe, and what needs to be done as a result of that.